In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Windows 10 Quick Access, step by step, in a simple way that anyone can follow. If you've ever opened File Explorer and noticed that Quick Access is filled with files and folders you don't want to see anymore, you're not alone. Over time, Windows automatically adds frequently used items there, and it can start to feel cluttered or distracting. The good news is that you can clear it in just a few clicks. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the main File Explorer window. Next, look at the top of the File Explorer window. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says View. This tab gives you access to different settings that control how File Explorer looks and behaves. Now move your mouse to the top right area of the window and click on Options. When you click this, a new window called Folder Options will open. Make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually selected by default, but it's always good to double-check. In this section, scroll down slightly until you see the Privacy area. Here, you'll find a button labeled Clear. This button clears your File Explorer history, including the list of frequently used files and folders shown in Quick Access. Go ahead and click Clear. After that, click Apply at the bottom of the window to make sure the changes take effect. Then click OK to close the Folder Options window. That's it. When you go back to File Explorer, your Quick Access section will be cleared, giving you a clean and fresh start. From now on, Windows will slowly add new items again based on what you use most often. Clearing Quick Access is a simple way to stay organized and make File Explorer easier to use, especially if you like keeping things neat and tidy. And that's how you clear Windows 10 Quick Access. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.